We're really fortunate to have this house. And one of the reasons why we bought this house in particular was because of the kitchen. And the focus of this kitchen is this island right here. You can cook. I love the range. The only problem is you can see that it takes up a good bit of the island. We had a solution. We bought this $99 aluminum cover. What we really liked about this aluminum cover is that it covered the controls. And with little kids, not only would this be a great place to put things, you didn't have to worry about the kids accidentally turning on the burners. The only problem was when we upgraded the range, you had things sticking out on both sides, so this cover wouldn't work anymore. And the replacement was going to cost me $200. And the kids were getting older. It really didn't matter that we covered the controls. So it was time to come up with another solution. The best solution I could come up with quickly that looked pretty decent was these bamboo cutting boards. I was most interested in covering this distance with the length of the board. It's really hard to find a cutting board that's inexpensive that's long this way. And it covers right over the vent when I'm not using it. And you leave the controls here and that's not such a big deal. But it gives you a lot of space. 2 doesn't exactly cover the entire surface. So I'm right back to the same problem I had with my aluminum top. So what I did is I actually took one of these boards, bought 3, and I cut a board in half. That way, all I had to do was pull these aside and put that one in the middle. And now I have a great surface in which to use for prep, for a party. You can lay this all out, put a whole bunch of things on here and on the sides. It just really gives a whole different level of space to this island as opposed to when the range and you just can't set anything on. The other great thing about this design is if for some reason I've had these 2 burners on and they're kind of warm, you can still put these other 2 pieces on and leave this one off until these burners cool down. So there you go, a simple solution to a challenge that I think a lot of people have with their island. Now, even if you had the range on the side of your kitchen, you could still use this idea. And I realize this is a gas range, but it will also work for an electric range. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of home designs, how to repair things, how to install things in your home, designs of all kinds, making and breaking things. I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what solutions you may see.